To remove and replace the battery on your Ranger 150, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Set the parking brake and remove the key. Access the battery through the left side rear wheel well. Release the battery cover strap. Then remove the battery cover. Disconnect the negative battery cable first to prevent arcing, and set aside. Then disconnect the positive battery cable and set aside. Reinstalling the fasteners onto the posts will help prevent misplacement. Carefully remove the battery from the vehicle. Inspect the rubber battery pad for damage or wear and replace if necessary. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris or damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Clean the battery holder thoroughly. Ensure the rubber battery pad is correctly positioned in the battery holder. Place the battery in the battery holder with the terminals facing backward. Reinstall the positive cable first to prevent arcing, and torque to specification. Then reinstall the negative cable, torque to specification. Apply a light film of dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to both terminals. Verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Clean the battery cover thoroughly and reinstall. Then install the cover strap. Finally, turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polaris.com.